Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Pups should be wormed for the first time at 2 weeks of age, then at 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 weeks old, fortnightly until 12 weeks of age. After this they can be wormed monthly until they are 12 months old.
Take our lead.
Most do well, but with a little care, we can help first litter moms be as effective as an older mom in puppy care. 45% of the losses with females happen in first-time moms, but most breeders rarely lose a puppy with any mom because they know the issues they face and prevent them.
Take our lead.
Different worming products act in different ways. You may be surprised to see worms in your dog's droppings after deworming them, but rest assured that this is normal. Some dewormers paralyze and kill the worms, which may be visible in your dog's feces after the treatment has started to work.
Take our lead.
Most treatments get to work rapidly, killing intestinal worms starting from around 2 to 6 hours after administering the dewormer. Will my dog or puppy pass worms after deworming? Different dog wormers act in different ways.
Take our lead.
After worming your pet, your dog may pass out dead worms, and this is completely normal and nothing to worry about. Sometimes, they may show some slight movement, such as a flicking motion, but the worms will go on to die.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.